How you going, everyone? Welcome to episode 10 of the Tech Flipper. Yeah, it's me. So in this one, I just wanted to run through something that I think I'm kind of leaning towards. Like, I think if you've been watching all the videos, you'll understand where I'm coming from with this stuff. So I've got two examples of laptops, actually 5 examples of laptops. So I bought a batch of laptops. They all cost me between 50 and 100 bucks each. Let's say 50 bucks. They probably don't. These ones don't owe me anything because they're all bought in a batch, and a lot of the batch is now sold. But let's say, for instance, they cost 50 bucks each. Now, the parts that were required to fix some of these laptops would have made them unviable to repair. So I had one particular model of laptop, which was a T460S. One of them needed the hinge for the monitor had broken off the back plate of the LCD. So to replace that, you're about 100 bucks to replace that. Then on top of that, I had another one there that needed an LCD. You're talking 100, 150 bucks for one of those. Let's say 250. Then on top of that, another one needed they have 2 batteries in that model, which was over $100 for those. But let's just say 100, so 350 bucks. And then another one needs a keyboard. So between all those things, and that keyboard, because I think they're an integrated frame as well. So for those, you're another 100 bucks. So you're about $400 or $500 in parts. So when you work out those numbers, I went and bought a laptop for 130 bucks off eBay. With that laptop, I removed the housing with the screen. Then took that out of the one that had the broken screen, removed the screen, had the broken housing, sorry. Then the housing one, or the one with the hinge issue, had a good screen in it, removed that screen, put it into another one, which was all fine apart from needed a screen. And then from the chassis of the one that I bought off eBay, I was able to use the batteries for one and the keyboard for the other. So out of 130 bucks, I bought 500 bucks worth of parts and turn those 4 laptops into around about $800 in sales. That's not bad, is it? So even if you took all the laptops at their full value of 50 bucks each, 200 bucks, 130 bucks for the laptop I bought, 330 bucks minus 800 is what, you're around 470 bucks, somewhere around there. Profit, pure profit, apart from labor, but my labor, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to me. So you guys, if you had staff, different story. I don't have staff, it's just me. This is a lone venture. On the other laptop, so the T460, a bit old, they're at 6th gen, so they're not worth big money, but you get the idea. Now with the other laptop, that was is a X1 Carbon Gen 9. So that one came in the same batch, but I think I paid 120 bucks for that one because it was just one of the deals that came through. That one had a broken screen on it, and the battery was faulty as well. And the power button was faulty as well. So I think it came in as not running at all. Did it even come with that batch? I'm going to say it came with that batch and say it cost 100 bucks because it might have actually come with another batch for free. But let's just say it cost 100 bucks. So 100 bucks. Now, I picked up a screen from online for 150 bucks. So we're at 250. And then the power button and the batteries, I actually had a broken one of the same model in stock, and the battery's like brand new in it, and it had the power button as well, so I didn't have to buy that either. Now, if I was going to buy the power button, I think about 40 bucks, maybe 50 bucks, and then the batteries are the big ones, probably about 150 bucks worth of battery. Sorry, it's just one battery in that one, but it's a massive battery. I don't have it here, it's over there. You'll see it on there. It's a massive battery, so so they're about 150. I think they're 150 bucks for the battery. So you're probably around that 400 to repair and buy that laptop. Now that laptop sells for about 800 bucks, so it's now only cost me the 150. The other parts are all free. So plus the other one 250. So at 800 bucks, we're making 550 bucks. So that with the 470 bucks from the other one, so let's say 5,000 bucks between the two in profit. That's how you make money from laptops. That's how you make money from phones and iPads and other stuff as well. computers as well, because one thing I've done too with like gaming computers, I've bought 3 or 4 different computers and then mix the parts up. So you might have like a 4th gen i7 and someone's got a 10th gen i7 and but the 4th gen had a really good, like a 2080 graphics card in it and a 1080 or a 1070 card in the 10th gen, and you just kind of switch them out and you probably get the same money as you would buying the 10th gen on that 4th gen. So the 10th gen ends up free with a 2080 video card or maybe a 3080, depends on what was in there, but as an idea. So these are the sort of things, and same with phones. So you might get an iPhone 13, for instance, that has it's smashed, front smash, back smash, still works and is working fine, no issues, but is completely trashed. And then pick up say a locked iPhone or one that has just died for $100. You pick them up $100 each, put them together, $200. So you take the motherboard out of the broken one and put it into the one that's got all the good parts in it, and then turn that into say a $500 or $600 phone. So these are the ways. This is what I'm trying to kind of lead to in what my thoughts are for the year, and it's in practice. I'm doing it now, so you're going to see this kind of evolve, and there'll be bigger deals and there'll be smaller deals and bigger days and smaller days. But I just want to kind of get get the idea that it's not just, you don't have to just go out and buy something from a wholesaler at a premium wholesale price and then try and make $50 on it. There's better ways to do it. This is the better way to do it. You get a bit of knowledge, it's a bit of fun, and and it's pretty cool to kind of work out, let's say, for instance, a $130 laptop, how many laptops you can spread that laptop over, because I've still got parts. I've still got a motherboard there. It is a faulty motherboard, but it possibly could be fixed. I haven't looked at it, so I don't know. And then on top of that, and even if you don't fix that, you've then got spare parts for other repairs. You might have some chips on the board you can use for other things, PMICs and SATA controllers, and also that one doesn't run Type C, so you don't need that. But if it was a Type C, you could use a Type C controller and stuff like that, or those sort of things, and the flexes and other body parts and stuff that you can possibly use. So just trying to broaden what you can do with tech without just flipping stuff that you find on a shelf somewhere, or ordering a pallet of whatever, because you don't know what's in the pallet, and hope you're going to make money out of it, but you've bought it for a premium because everybody was bidding because they saw a monitor or a laptop box or something with an Apple sticker on it somewhere. So this way you can kind of travel under the radar. That's the way I like to do it. Travel under the radar. Nobody wants a lot of this damaged stuff. They just want the working stuff, because they don't want to put the effort into fixing stuff and making money out of it. There's a couple of guys on YouTube that do this as well, but they do more singly, and it's difficult stuff, board work stuff. I'm not talking board work stuff, I'm talking screwdriver stuff. Don't get me wrong, board work stuff is good too, but to change a screen out, it takes you minutes, and anybody can do it. There's plenty of guides online, anybody can do it. So I'm going to stop waffling on. Hopefully the videos, I made them all work at the right time. I just wanted to have a bit of fun with this one and kind of interact at the same time as you get to have a bit of visual sort of stimuli, as they say. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, but I've got plenty to find around here, so don't worry, I'll have something. Cool. All right, I'm going to close this episode out. Hope you all enjoyed it. I'd just like to do one last thing, and I'd really like to just do a shout out to all the first liners, the front liners and first responders in the Victorian bushfires. They're in the thick of it right now. So at the moment, my driveway has got a haze over it, and the first world problems like I've never seen before. But you guys are doing an amazing job. If no one sees this video, it doesn't matter. This is for me to put out into the ethos, just to put it out there that my appreciation for what you guys do, and girls, is amazing, because we would be in a lot of trouble if you guys weren't there, guys and girls, but guys in general, as in hey guys. It doesn't have to be male and female thing to say guys, but I like to try and be conscious of it. So guys, girls, and everyone else, at the end of the day, thank you. We all appreciate you. Keep doing an amazing job, and we'll stay home and keep out of your way. We think that's smarter, because I don't know what to do with a hose reel or whatever it is you guys use out there. So I'd rather stay here and in my air conditioning. So look, on that note, thank you everybody. I hope you all have a great night. It's about 7 o'clock on Saturday the 10th in Victoria. So some places haven't even started their Saturday, but I hope you have a great Saturday if you do watch this. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. See you later. Bye.